How you feeling? You okay?
Yeah, good. Not terrified at all.
Sorry.
I've got to have a fat boy parachute on.
Don't slip out. Perfect. So it's going down now, okay?
No worries. Say no worries. I don't mean no worries. It's terrifying.
Well, you did the little one, and the little one was fine, so this one's going to be just fine as well, okay?
Cool.
All you're meant to do is just keep breathing.
No worries. Thank you. Yeah, shorts isn't the best idea, is it?
Sorry?
Shorts isn't the best idea for this,
Oh
is
no,
it?
it's fine. It's fine. Much better than skirts. So, all good. Honestly, the build-up is worse than anything else. So you just keep breathing. We'll get double check now, okay?
Thank you.
Hey, you doing okay?
Hello.
Thank you. Hi.
How are we?
Oh, good, thanks. See, the good thing about this is I don't have to push myself, do I?
No,
so
you
not-
just get let go.
Yeah,
Right, then if you have a quick look at me, your camera's on and you're all set.
good, thank you. Right, so here we go. Fastest zip line in the world. Countdown in Welsh. I think my heart rate has gone up a bit now.
Safety's off!
Safety off.
Munchy!
Oh, here we go. Oh my god. This is awesome. This is so brilliant. Brilliant stuff. Whoa. Sorry.
And you can drop that on the floor now. See
Okay.
that? I'm going to spin you to the left, stand down. Perfect. Did you enjoy that?
That was amazing.
Amazing. When you're ready, sweetheart, pop your spin your head towards you.
Okay.
Any last words for your camera?
No, we're good, thanks.
Amazing.